everyone, so today we'll be looking into a direct new topic after the function, interval and all that. So today we'll be looking into the conceptual introduction of limits. Now basically what are limits? And what's the difference between the limits and the actual value? First, keep in mind whenever we are talking about limits, so it is denoted or it is referred to the value till which we are considering the value of the x. Just for example, the limit is taken as lim and then we do have this kind of situation beneath it that we usually call as x approaches to or x refers to 1. Now what does this mean? This probably means that the x has the value that is near the 1, not exactly 1. Now that's what makes limit different from the actual value or the exact value. That limit isn't a fixed value, it's approaches to the exact value. Just suppose in this condition we have x approaches to 1. Now you'll be thinking that what we gonna do, we will simply, if we want to simplify it, that's the usual formation that we will put 1 in it and then a square and then we will add 2. Now we know that 1 plus 2 would be equal to 3, so that's the answer because the square of the 1 is 1. Now you might be thinking that, hey, we have put the exact value, so what's the difference? So probably if you look into this situation, let me use some calculation. That let's suppose that if, as I mentioned, that it's the value approaches to 1. So let's just take the value that is just before the 1. So it will be 0.000 and let's just take it, that is 0.000001. Now let's just square it. After squaring, we'll get this answer. After getting this answer, what's the next step we have to add to? Let's add here 2. So what would be the answer? It will be 0.000001. Now in this situation, the answer is again 2 because we don't consider the value after these points. We usually neglect it. So the answer would be again 2. Now that's why we used to say that the value of the axis approaches to 2, because if we'll take it conceptually, so the answer would be again same but with some complexities of points and then some zeros and then some smaller values. So that's all about today. That's all about limits. I hope that you get it and thank you so much for watching.